Hello and welcome back in another tutorial. Today we use AI tools with Helix, and as there are currently no plugins available, we use or leverage the specific AI CLI interfaces to achieve that. So what we are doing here is actually we create our string or our prompt, and by hitting a defined shortcut, in my case it is Control V, it will then auto-generate the code with this agent in the background, which gets triggered with the shortcut. And then Helix will also highlight the outcome of it, as you see it here. That is what we gonna do in this video and try to set up. The nice thing is that it's actually not so problematic to do so. And when you reload or watch the files now, you see that the agent created everything as it was supposed to be. Let's also try that the agent is... Now let's hook it up with our main RS file, and let's say to the agent that he should combine it and call it the proper function which were previously created in the main RS file. Please also note that the speed, what you see here of these agent tools, are not exactly reflected in this video because it took some time. So I just cut it out this kind of time to make the video shorter, so that you are more comfortable for watching it, because basically it took roughly 1 minute alone that the agent was getting all the stuff together and creating all the inputs and so on. Also, please note that you are not limited to one specific tool. I use in this case the Mistral Vibe CLI tool, but you can exactly also use claude-code as long as you understand how the CLI parameters need to be passed in order to call it. So as you can see here, after executing again my shortcut, it created everything. It was also printed out in Helix. After a quick reload in the main file, I see also the changes. And now let's jump to the configuration to see what I actually extended here. So all what I do is like I'm calling a shell command. And the important thing is, because I use this Mistral CLI tool, which gets an argument bar or a prompt passed with -p. And this selection, what you just saw, that is actually the important thing, because everything what is selected in Helix will then be passed to this command as an argument from p. And the good thing is you can also use claude-code when you are familiar with the CLI interface, and it would also just work. I will quickly highlight also that one. But basically with this kind of interface, you can quite nicely extend your Helix experience if you want, and drive it a bit with AI tools around. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a nice time.